What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. If you're not, how's it hanging, lizard gang? Welcome back to the channel. So all right, we're back on 27th Avenue in Indian School. Your favorite blade, guys. So there seems to be a lot of action out here today. Today is Wednesday. We're about to go out here. We're gonna see if we can find any action. I'm gonna go to my favorite lizard spots. I'm gonna show you guys where they mostly congregate at. Check that out. And for my 60,000 subscribers, guys, yeah, 60,000 subscribers, I'm gonna try to fly my drone over here and show you guys where all the lizzies really congregate at. So let's get down to business. Let's go out here. Let's try to find some lizzies. Let's try to find some action. Let's get it, lizard gang. Let's go do this. So today there's a lot of cop activity over here on the blade, guys. I don't know why, what the deal is, but yeah, there's a lot. Go around and get a front shot though. So sorry for the annoying clicking sound. That's my turn signal. What do you guys think, lizard gang? Smashing or passing? Not bad if you ask the hunter. There goes another cop right there. There's a bunch of them on the blade today. So hey guys, I wanted to invite you guys to go to my Patreon and check out that page. Everything that doesn't make it into the YouTube, it's gonna go to my Patreon. So that's pretty much everything. That's all the videos is gonna be uncensored there. All right, let's go. Let's go see what else we could find. Who just came up and offered her a ride. Make sure my doors are locked. There's a bunch of activity out here. So that's the so-called pimp right there. What do you guys think? Goes another one right there. with another so-called pig right behind her. Let me get that skibbolus. Going to the lizard wash. Let's go see what's cracking. Check it out. This pimp over here has got 3 Lizzies. 1, 2, 3 over there. Check it out, guys. Look who it is at that bus stop right there. It's Prego Lizzie. I don't know how long you guys been following me for, but I uploaded a video around 2 or 3 months ago, and this one right here was on the corner showing her belly. I wonder if she already popped. I wonder if she already retired. Maybe I should go and ask her, huh? Check it out, Lizard Gang. So if you guys haven't joined my Patreon, man, I don't know what you guys are waiting for. Right now I got a good exclusive interview, man. She gives out all kinds of details, all kinds of information. So if you haven't checked it out, go and check it out, man. Let me go around and get a front shot. There she blows. There she blows. Let me know what you guys think about the Chocolate Bunny Lizard Gang. Put it down in the comment section. Smash or pass, yay or nay. Check out this Lizzie right here. What do you guys think, Lizard Gang? Yay or nay? Damn, green light. I had to stop at the light. Now they're all honking at me. The sun is really bad right now. Can't really see nothing. Check it out. I'm gone. Look at this fool right here. Got himself a snow bunny. Looking like a fake Madonna. all happy. Look at them. Who loves this, Lizzie? There we go. Let's focus. There we go. I need to get myself another zoom lens, Lizard Gang. I'm gonna get that soon. As soon as I get enough money. Let's go. Trying to get a front shot, but kind of difficult. Alright, Lizard Gang, so before I leave, I'm gonna see if I could get some drone shots of this Lizard Lounge right here, aka Panaderia Azteca. So let's go get it. Alright, Lizard Gang, so here we go. As you guys can see, right now I'm on the side of the Lizard Lounge. If you guys can see, there's a little shadow right there. That's my DJI Mini. That's what I got. Hey, thanks to everybody that donated. I was able to get this little drone so I could do some drone POV, pretty much drone point of view. Yeah, guys, so right here, this is located on 27th Avenue in Polk. And as you guys can see, I'm just going over the Lizard Lounge real quick. This is how it looks from the top. I'm just gonna show you guys how this drone looks. It has a pretty nice camera, man. I think it looks better than my Sony. So I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos with this drone. I'm just learning how to fly it, so I was pretty paranoid, pretty nervous right here. You know, I really don't know how to fly this thing or control it. So yeah, man, I'm trying not to crash it or anything. But as you guys can see right here, this is 27th Avenue. Right now I'm gonna point south, so if you go this way, all right, hold on. This way is west right here. So right now where I'm panning over to, that's south. This side right here is east, and this other side over here is going all the way north. If you go all the way, the blade goes all the way from Indian School all the way north to Northern. All right, let me cut a little bit of this BS out. All right, here we go again, Lizard Gang. So let me give you a little better aerial view right here. As you guys can see, 27th Avenue is huge. The blade is really long. It goes all the way up to Northern. Look at that. This drone right here has a capability of zooming in too, so pretty good, man. I plan to take it to different cities, different blades around the state. So check it out. That's the I-17 right there. That right there is the Phoenix skyline where all the buildings are at. And this right here is going south, and that's where the blade starts over there on Indian School. All right, guys, so thank you guys. That's just a little quick shot, man. Thanks to everybody that joined my Patreon. Thanks to everybody that's been donating. Thank you guys for making this possible, man. Thank you guys for the 60,000 subscribers. All right, man. All right, everybody, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, I got plenty of them coming. So, all right, man. I hope you guys like the lizard view. I mean, the drone view. I really don't know how to control this drone yet. I haven't practiced, but I'm gonna be doing a lot more work with the drone. I'm gonna be taking it to Las Vegas, to LA. This is gonna be my little partner, so if you wanna see more lizard action from a drone view, POV, I know I didn't get to see any lizards, but at least I can show you how the blade looks. But anyways, if you guys wanna see some drone action, just go ahead and click the like button, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.